Let's talk about how to fix Forza Horizon error axle missing fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But don't slam your keyboard in despair. Just yet we're about to dive deep into exactly why this error occurs, and more importantly, walk you through step-by-step solutions to get your game back up and running. Get ready to fix that axle and reclaim your virtual driving paradise in no time. Okay, so what exactly is this axle error? Essentially, it means there's a problem with your system trying to run Verbit applications on a Verbit system, or more commonly, a crucial DLL file is either missing or corrupted. DLLs or dynamite. Link libraries are like little building blocks that programs like Forza Horizon need to function correctly. When one of these blocks goes missing or gets messed up, the game just can't start. Before we dive into anything complex, let's cover the immediate, simplest fixes. First, the classic restart. Sometimes a simple reboot can resolve temporary glitches that are preventing the game from launching. Next, verify your game files. Through this backup or Steam, this often catches and repairs any corrupted or missing files automatically, which is a common cause of this specific error. Many times the axle error points to issues with your system's core software components to ensure your directs and visual key distributables are both up to date and correctly installed. These frameworks are absolutely vital for modern games when outdated or damaged versions are notorious for causing DLL-related errors. You can usually find the latest versions directly from Microsoft's official website. If those previous steps haven't solved it, let's look at your graphics, drivers, and system integrity. Make sure your graphics card drivers are fully updated. Outdated drivers can cause a surprising number of game launching problems. Also, running a system file checker scan can identify and repair corrupted Windows system files that might be interfering. If all else fails, the clean reinstallation of Forza Horizon might be the last resort, ensuring a fresh start.